Hello everyone and welcome back to GMAT Quest. If you are new here, make sure to watch our previous video where we covered the fundamental concepts of using each in GMAT Sentence Correction. The link to that video is in the description below. Today, we are delving into the next level by exploring the nuances between each and each of which. This video will clear up any confusion and provide you with a solid understanding of how to navigate these concepts. So, let's get started. Our journey begins with understanding the concept of each of which. Remember, each of which acts as a pointer to the nearest noun. Let's see how this works with the help of an example. She received 5 gifts, each of which brought a smile to her face. Here each is pointing to the nearest noun gifts. Each of the gifts brought a smile to her face. Now here is the golden rule to remember: quantity expression plus preposition plus relative pronoun. This combination forms a legitimate construction. An example is each of which, each of them, both of which. Also note that each of which will always have singular verb. Can you guess which one is correct out of these? Please pause the video, think about it, and play it when you are ready. We have already discussed each and each of which are correct. When you say each one, each emphasizes the individuality of each item, and one further specifies that you are talking about one item from that group. This combination is concise and clear, providing information about each item's distinctiveness. Now, when you add of which to each one, you are introducing redundancy. The reason is that each one already implies that you are talking about individual items within a group. Adding of which after each one can be seen as repeating the same idea. It's like saying each one of each, which becomes repetitive and unnecessary. Now let's understand the concepts using GMAT-style sentence correction question. Please pause the video, think about the answer, and press play when you are ready. In an original sentence, we see each one of which. So we know option A is eliminated. A similar phrase each one of which is seen in option E as well. So, option E is also eliminated. Another thumb rule is each will always have a singular verb. Option B we see the verb comprise is plural. So option B is also eliminated. In the option D, we see the same plural verb comprise. So, option D is also eliminated. We are left with option C, which is correctly using the singular verb comprises and hence is the correct option. Let's test your skills with another GMAT-style sentence correction question. Please pause the video, think about the answer, and submit your answers in the comments.